You went and bought bins, you labeled everything, you watched the videos, you set it all up. It looks so good. And then 1 week later, same situation, different Sunday. Friend, our organizing system didn't fail because you're not trying hard enough. It failed because it was never built for your real life. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why and how to fix it. Hey, I'm Mia of Pretty OCD with organizing, honest reviews, and tech talk. No Pinterest perfect pressure. Sounds good, but it feels better. Today, we're talking about why organizing systems stop working. I've got 3 specific reasons and a fix for each one. Let's get into it. The system was built for who you want to be, not who you are. That's reason number 1. And this one stings a little, so hear with love. Your system was designed for the best version of you. The version that puts things away immediately, never runs late, somehow has unlimited energy on a Tuesday night, but your system also has to work for the version of you that just got home from a long day, kicked their shoes off at the door, and is not, I repeat, not opening a labeled bin right now. I know I operate that way, but most people don't. So if your system only works when you're at full capacity, it's not actually a system, it's a wish. And honestly, that's one of the biggest reasons I'm such a big believer in macro organizing. If you've watched my video, My Stop Organizing Wrong, you've heard me say this before. My systems are designed to be practical, something you can maintain, and pretty to stick with. Because for me, when a space is organized and it looks good, it gives me a little dopamine hit every time I see it. And when I enjoy using that space, I'm motivated to maintain it. Reason number 2, your system doesn't remind you to use it. And this one, I don't hear enough people talk about. The best organizing systems aren't just organized, they create a cue. Think about your keys. If they're hanging on the hook by the door, you don't have to remember where they are. The hook reminds you. Same thing with the donation bin in your closet. If you can see it, you're more likely to toss something in it. If it's buried in the garage, you forget it exists. Or you have to have that system where you go to the garage where you know it is, it's clearly labeled, and you place your donation items in that bin. Good systems reduce the amount of thinking that you have to do. It's the old saying, a place for everything and everything in its place. It's a real thing. Because let's be honest, most of us already have enough in our heads. The fix. Put your systems where you'll naturally see them. Let your environment prompt the behavior instead of relying on memory. Now, before I get into reason 3, I need to make a confession. I once organized my junk drawer so beautifully that I was afraid to use it. Like, it was too pretty to put junk in.
Look at this. Perfect.
That's not how this works, so don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, reason 3. And this is probably the most common one. Your system has too many steps. Here's my rule. If putting something away takes more than 2 motions, it probably won't last. Grab it, place it, that's it. The moment you add a 3rd step, open the box, then place it, then close the box, you've created a system that only works when you have patience. And patience is not a sustainable organizing strategy. Your system has to work on your worst day. The day you skip lunch and have missed 3 calls, if it doesn't work then, it doesn't actually work. The fix. Audit every system in your space. Count the steps. If it's more than 2, simplify it. Remove the lid, open the drawer, lower the bar, make it sustainable. So here's what I want you to walk away with today. 1 question, 1 audit question for every organizing system you own. Does this work on my worst day? If the answer is yes, keep it. If the answer is no, that is where we start. Not with new bins or a whole weekend reset, just with that 1 question. Because the goal isn't to get organized. The goal is to build organizing habits that create an organized lifestyle. And that happens when your systems still work when real life shows up. All right, You've got 3 reasons. You've got the audit question. Now go look at your spaces with fresh eyes. And if you're realizing your current setup might be too complicated, go watch my Stop Organizing Wrong video next. It pairs perfectly with what we talked about today. I'll see you in the next one. Don't deny what you know.